Your home's exterior doors play a crucial role in the overall functionality, security, and aesthetic appeal of your property. If you live in Gilbert, Arizona, where high temperatures, dust storms, and other environmental factors can take a toll on your home's exterior, investing in an exterior door replacement is a smart decision. Replacing your exterior doors can provide a variety of benefits, from improving energy efficiency to enhancing your home's curb appeal. Here are the top reasons why investing in exterior door replacement in Gilbert, Arizona is a worthwhile move for homeowners. Energy efficiency. One of the most significant reasons to invest in exterior door replacement is to improve your home's energy efficiency. In Gilbert, where summer temperatures often exceed 100 degrees Fahrenheit, having well-insulated doors is crucial for keeping your home cool. Older doors, especially those that have warped, cracked, or have gaps around the frame, can allow hot air to enter your home, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. This not only makes your home less comfortable but also results in higher energy bills. Modern exterior doors are designed with energy efficiency in mind. New doors come with advanced features such as insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass panels, which help reduce heat transfer and keep your home at a more consistent temperature. By replacing your exterior doors with energy-efficient models, you can significantly lower your cooling costs and reduce your environmental impact. Enhanced security. The safety and security of your family are paramount, and your exterior doors are a key component of your home's defense against intruders. If your current doors are old, flimsy, or have damaged locks, they could be a weak point in your home's security. New exterior doors are built with stronger materials, such as steel or fiberglass, which are much more difficult to break into than older wooden doors. Many modern doors also come with enhanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant glass. By investing in a high-quality exterior door replacement, you can give your home an added layer of protection and gain peace of mind knowing that your family is safe. Improved curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. It sets the tone for the rest of your property and contributes significantly to your home's overall curb appeal. If your exterior doors are outdated, faded, or damaged, they can detract from the beauty of your home and make it look run down. Replacing your exterior doors gives you the opportunity to update the look of your home and increase its visual appeal. With a wide variety of materials, colors, and styles to choose from, you can customize your new doors to match your home's architectural style and your personal taste. Whether you opt for a sleek, modern look or a traditional wooden design, new doors can enhance your home's aesthetic and make a positive first impression. Increased home value. Investing in an exterior door replacement is not only an improvement to your home's functionality and appearance but also a boost to its market value. Homebuyers in Gilbert, Arizona are looking for energy-efficient, secure, and visually appealing homes, and a new exterior door checks all those boxes. According to industry experts, replacing your front door is one of the most cost-effective home improvements in terms of return on investment. Potential buyers are often willing to pay more for a home that has been well maintained and upgraded with modern features, such as new doors. If you plan to sell your home in the future, an exterior door replacement can increase its resale value and make it more attractive to buyers. Better durability and performance. The harsh Arizona climate, including intense heat, dust storms, and monsoon rains, can cause wear and tear on your exterior doors over time. Older doors made from less durable materials may warp, crack, or lose their finish due to prolonged exposure to the elements. This not only affects the door's appearance but also its performance in terms of insulation and security. New exterior doors are designed to withstand harsh weather conditions. Fiberglass doors, for example, are resistant to warping, cracking, and fading, even in extreme heat. Steel doors provide exceptional durability and security, while composite materials offer the look of wood without the maintenance concerns. By replacing your exterior doors with more durable options, you can enjoy better performance and a longer lifespan. Increased comfort and noise reduction. Exterior doors do more than just provide security and aesthetics, they also impact the comfort of your living spaces. A new, well-insulated door can help keep your home at a more comfortable temperature by reducing drafts and keeping out hot air during the summer. Additionally, new doors with soundproofing features can reduce outside noise, making your home a quieter and more relaxing place to live. Investing in exterior door replacement for your Gilbert, Arizona home offers a wide range of benefits, from improving energy efficiency and enhancing security to boosting curb appeal and increasing home value. With the harsh climate in Gilbert, having durable, well-insulated doors is essential for protecting your home and ensuring its long-term performance. Whether you're looking to reduce energy costs, increase security, or simply give your home a fresh new look, replacing your exterior doors is a smart and valuable investment.